Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can view blocked contacts or email address in the Mail app on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, go down and then tap on Mail. Next, we scroll down, so go to the Trading section and then tap on Blocked. From here, you will be able to view all the email address or phone number or contact that has been blocked from sending you mail messages. If you want, you can tap on Edit and then remove that. By removing that number or that email address, you are essentially unblocking them, allowing them to reach you via mail message. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.